The mother sinks wearily onto the sofa, her face a canvas of exhaustion. She remains silent, bearing the weight of her day without complaint. Soft light paints the modest living room, where long shadows stretch across the walls. In the heart of her home, she finds a moment of quiet rest, her exhaustion palpable. In the heart of the home, a father gathers Mirha and Hussein, their faces alight with anticipation. Let's give Mama a rest today. We'll all work together. Their eager nods reflect the excitement and unity. The simple kitchen, with its pile of dishes, becomes the stage for their family endeavor. Together, they prepare to transform the ordinary into an act of love. In the soft glow of the setting sun, Mirha sweeps with rhythmic precision, each stroke a testament to quiet dedication. Hussein meticulously gathers scattered toys, transforming chaos into order with each deliberate placement. The father stands at the kitchen sink, washing dishes with a practiced hand, the clinking sounds weaving a familiar domestic symphony. Bathed in golden light, the mother watches from the doorway, her eyes reflecting a surge of gratitude and love.
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.